Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're so happy to have you back. I have noticed that we've gained some new subscribers. Thank you kindly for your support as well. Welcome aboard. We're so happy to have you here. I have got this delicious hot sauce recipe that is so versatile. You can use it for many of your dishes, from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It gives just the amount of flavor and spiciness that you will need. So let's jump right into this video. Let's bring the salsa. Let's bring the hot sauce. Let's bring the spiciness. Hey, hey, hey. I'm Keisha Paris from Bella Naturals, bringing this delicious hot sauce recipe to y'all. Let's make this happen. Yes. You can use Scotch bonnet or habanero peppers. I purchased these at my neighborhood market. As you can see, the package has mostly red peppers, so I purchased these 3 to help tone the red down a bit. If you want your pepper sauce to be red, yellow, green, or orange, choose those colors and that will happen. And of course, you clean the ingredients. I love using vinegar, and then add the water, as you know, a little soap, and all of these 3 will do the trick. Then you give it a good rinse and you're ready to move on to the next step. Some of the peppers in the package started to go bad a little bit, but that doesn't mean you throw it away. You just remove the bad pieces and you use the rest of it. You see, this one is also bad. This one too. Take it off. And then when I open up these ones, the seeds was bad as well. So you just remove the seeds, make it all nice and clean, and then you're ready to blend your peppers to make your hot sauce. You see how nice and clean and fresh and beautiful they are? You are also gonna add some other ingredients. Here I have leeks. I cut it all up, but I'm not gonna use all of it. These are what I'm gonna use. We got turmeric, these pieces of leeks, scallion, cilantro, and cilantro. You wanna give your lemon a good roll to get all of the juice flowing out of it so much better. And as you can see by feeling it, you can tell it's ready to be cut. Ooh, you see that juice flew out of it? And it's so much easier when you're juicing it. See that? Quick, 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 and ready to go. You can strain it to remove the pulp, or you don't have to. Remove the seeds and it will be fine, but I prefer straining mine. You're also gonna need a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalaya pink salt, 1/2 cup of water and vinegar, and that's the lemon juice. A small piece of turmeric and ginger cut up, and about 2 garlic cloves. Small piece of carrot about the size of your index finger. These are the leeks, scallion, cilantro, and cilantro that you saw earlier in the video. You will need about that amount. And about 16 to 18 hot peppers. It's time to blend. The peppers are in, and here comes the other ingredients. To play it safe, add the water and the vinegar gradually. In this way, you will be able to better control the consistency. So don't you worry about not adding the correct portion of ingredients. Your security lies in the amount of liquid that you use. A great tip is to start off blending it on a medium level and gradually adjust it to a higher speed. So in that way, everything is blended nice and smooth. All of the ingredients has been used, so I'm safe and secure. This is the consistency that I was going for. You don't want it to be too thick. This is about just right, see? For easy pouring, I suggest that you use a funnel. I was videoing with one hand and trying to use the other to pour, so I made a bit of a mess here. I have faith in you though, you will do a better job than me. So, excuse me, bear with me while I pour this hot sauce in these bottles, okay? Got a little bit left in there, so I'm going to place it in this smaller bottle. To disinfect the bottle, I also use vinegar. Just give it a good shake, pour it out, and it's ready to be used. See how we do in Bella Lala Naturals house? Recycle, recycle, helping in protecting our planet, paying it forward. And there you have it. I kept one bottle for our household. The rest are going to friends. Along with making the hot sauce, I also made green seasoning. I'll place the link for that video in the description box down below and at the end of this video. Thanks to my mom for teaching me this. She's no longer with us, but her spirit lives on in me. So let's have some fun in memory of her.
Hot sauce! Spicy hot sauce. Let's make it spicy. Straight out of Bella Lala Natural Kitchen to you. Your own spicy hot sauce, Caribbean style, from Keisha Paris at Bella Lala Naturals. Yes.
A bow for my mom.
Let's make it spicy. Let's make it spicy. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. We do the Caribbean style. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's make it spicy. Let's make it hot.
These beautiful presentations are just for you. I couldn't end this video without doing something special for you. Happy New Year 2023! Here are some bonus tips. The bottles that you saw earlier in the video, this is what I do to use them. I soak them overnight in some water and then I remove the labels like so. You can use the back of the sponge to get it off, but sometimes depending on the labels, it's a little bit more stickier. As you can see, that one was a little bit more challenging. With this bottle, it was much easier for me to remove it with the sponge. So then I would use a soap pad instead, or you can use one of these to get the job done. You just add a little soap on it and it will definitely do the trick. And voila, there you have it. They're so nice and clean, ready to be used to place your concoction after you place them out to dry. When they're dry, you disinfect them with some vinegar and then you pour your beautiful concoction in there. After presenting you with your beautiful display with the peppers and scallion, I have to preserve the peppers. So this is what I did. Use the stapler to make a bag, put it in the freezer bag, take the stems off, put it in there, and now we can place it in the freezer for other use, just like so. And the scallion, I put it on the window so I could use it whenever I want to in my other meals.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy this video and take away lots of information to assist in your kitchen. Please show us some spicy love like that hot sauce. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to see our new uploads. We will love for you to be part of our channel, so come on board, join the Bella Lala Naturals family. Give this spicy single mama your support. We will appreciate it and we appreciate you. Happy New Year 2023. Actually, this is our first video of the year. May God bless you and your family. Bye. See you in our next upload. Bye-bye. Peace.